In previous lessons, we learned ways to describe light shining on an object. Some things are clear, like the water that the turtle is in. You can see clearly through the water and watch the turtle. Objects can also block some light and allow some light to shine through, like the wing of a butterfly. Still, other objects can block all light. These objects stop the light and a shadow is created, like the picture of this child's hands. And last, some objects reflect light, as seen in the picture of the cheetah drinking some water. You can see the cheetah's image in the water. Now let's look at the picture in our online notebook. Look at the photo of Gabby Salazar in the top right corner. She is a nature photographer. How do you think the other photos on the page relate to the photo of Gabby? These photos are ones that she has taken. What do you think today's lesson is about? If you said the job of a photographer, you are correct. Let's read the book to learn more about the science career of a photographer. Gabby Salazar is a nature photographer. She works to help protect plants and animals. Gabby also enjoys teaching photography to children. Gabby Salazar is a photographer. A photographer takes pictures. It is important for photographers to know about light. They use light in their pictures. The way light shines can make a picture look good or bad. So here's my first question for you. Why is it important for photographers to know about light? Well, they need to know about light because they use light in their pictures. What happens if a photo is too dark? Well, if it's too dark, it can be hard to see the details of the photo. What happens if the photo is too bright? That can also make it hard to see the details of the photo. Can you think of other ways light can change the way a photo looks? Some answers might be where the light is coming from and what is the light source, like the sun or a lamp. Now let's look at the picture a little closely. Look at the photo of the trees. How was the light changing the way the tree branches look? The light is reflecting off the branches and making them look bright. Where do you think that light is coming from? Well, if you said the sun, you're correct. It's probably at sunset. How do you think the brightness of the branches change? Well, if the light changes, the brightness of the trees will also change. Let's read the next paragraph. Gabby travels around the world taking pictures of nature. She spent 10 months in Peru. People there are working to protect a rainforest. She took pictures of the plants, animals, and people that live there. Protecting wildlife is important to Gabby. Here's my next question. Why does Gabby travel around the world taking pictures of wildlife? Well, Gabby wants to help protect the wildlife. So then you might ask, how do pictures help protect wildlife? Well, pictures can help people know and care about plants and animals that they would not otherwise know or care about. Is this a career you would find interesting? If so, why would you like to be a photographer?